Hello and welcome to the channel. Note down the ingredients for the marinade. We'll need 500 grams of freshly cleaned silver fish. To this, we'll add 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, a pinch of turmeric, organic pink salt. To this, we'll squeeze lemon, ginger garlic paste, and kebab powder. Mix everything well and marinate it for 2 hours. To this marinade, we'll add some rava, 1 egg white, and set it aside for few minutes. Then we'll heat some oil. Just before the deep fry, we'll add to the mixture some mustard oil, rice flour, and some freshly cut curry leaves. Fry this fish until it's golden brown and crisp. Garnish this with fresh coriander leaves. Hope you liked the recipe. Thank you so much for watching.